Let's make gluten-free corn flour tortillas. 2 cups of masa flour. Make a well. Pour your water in the center of the well. I really hope that's in the center of the well. Mix it. Some balls are bigger than others. Ta-da! That's a beautiful tortilla. Now, you can make them different sizes. It's nice, it's pliable. Fill them up, you've got your tortilla. If you had a nice shell right now, a little taco stand, you've got little tacos here. Very easy recipe. You have to remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share to the channel so you can see more great, easy recipes just like this. Inflation is high and prices are high. You can make these for just pennies on the dollar in your own kitchen. Homemade is better. Cooking is better at home. You can be your own master chef in your own kitchen. Let's give it a try. Boom! I could eat this tortilla all day. All this took for 19 tortillas was 2 cups of flour and 1.5 cups of water. That's how you save money from the grocery store. Make your own tortillas. This masa flour, $4, 1 bag of flour. I'm gonna make thousands of tortillas. Okay, maybe not thousands, but hundreds of tortillas for sure. So $4 for the whole bag. Today I made with 2 cups of flour, 19 tortillas. These cost me pennies for each tortilla. Go to the grocery store and it's gonna cost you $3, $4, $5 for a pack of 6. And who knows what kind of crap are in there. You can make your own tortillas right at home. Be your own master chef. Homemade is better. Cooking at home is better. And these are easy. Flour and water. Get a bowl. Get some flour. Get some water. Cook them on the stove. A little bit of olive oil. And you made your own tortilla. Now I need to figure out what we're gonna fill these with. Are we gonna make a beef tortilla? Are we gonna make a chicken taco, a shrimp taco, a mini burrito? Are we gonna add some cheese in here? We need some salsa. How about some guacamole? I have an easy recipe of guacamole right on my channel. Check that one out. Make your own tortillas. Homemade tortillas are so much better. Boom! Who wants a tortilla?